Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to remove a Google Work profile on any Android device, including MIUI phones. Let's get started. First, open your Settings app on your phone. Now, scroll down a bit and look for the option called Accounts and Sync, or it may simply say Accounts depending on your device brand. Tap on it and you'll see all the accounts currently signed in on your device. Now, if your work profile is connected to a Google account, tap on Google here. Select the account that you want to remove, for example, your work or company email. Once you open it, tap on the More option, usually shown as three dots, at the bottom or top right corner. Then tap Remove Account. Once you confirm, that will remove your work account from your phone, which also deletes the work profile linked to it. Now, in some cases, your work profile might not be linked to a Google account. If that's the case, scroll down further and look under the Other Accounts section. Here you'll see different types of connected accounts. For example, Microsoft 365, Exchange, or other work-related accounts. Tap on the one you want to remove, tap More, and select Remove Account again. Once confirmed, the work profile and all related data will be removed from your device. That's it. You've successfully removed your Google or work profile from your Android device. Thank you for watching.